Good afternoon all. Now, today we will discuss the next point, that is taxonomy. Sequential arrangement of an organism. The particular arrangement of an organism into the particular taxa, it is known as taxonomy. Particular organism is arranged in particular taxa is known as taxonomy. And here we classify the animal or organism. So particular in class, we classify the organism. That procedure is known as classification. So for classification and taxonomy both are related to the similar words. Just example, we say like that we arrange the different organisms into different group according to the structurally similarity and dissimilarity, like that. For example, plants and animals we can divide it into two parts. Fine. Just for we say that we arrange the utensils in kitchen. Fine. So that is known as classification. So similar to that, we arrange the organism into the particular taxa. This is known as taxonomy. So taxa is the unit of the basic unit of taxonomy. Fine. For example, we say like that wheat, rice, maize, plant, animal are particular taxa. But taxa is the group of taxon. So we say that taxa is plural word. So singular word, that is taxon. So taxa is plural word. So we arrange the different organisms into different taxa. Fine. That's why we say that Carolus linnaeus is known as father of taxonomy. Fine. Carolus linnaeus is also known as father of taxonomy, the most important thing. Identification, classification, nomenclature, all these are the basic fundamentals of the taxonomy. But Carolus Linnaeus, what the one book, Systema Naturae. Fine. So this Systema Naturae book explains us that natural system of classification. So here basic rules are given that here for classification of the different plants as well as animals. Fine. Now you know that we have learned with the different taxonomic hierarchy. So taxonomic hierarchy, for that we have learned with this, that genus, species, class, order, family, kingdom, like that. Fine. So we will learn the one by one taxonomical hierarchy, and in that we will learn the first taxa, that is species. So now the first is taxonomical hierarchy. First is species. The group of an individual. The group of an individual is known as species. Fine. Just for example here, Mangifera indica. Mangifera leo. Solanum tuberosum. Fine. So here, for example, you know that Mangifera indica, that is mango, Mangifera leo, that is lion, and Solanum tuberosum, in that these all are, species. Or specific habitat. Fine. So in your textbook, you see so any type of the examples you can write here, no problem at all. Fine. Now the genus. Genus means the group of species. Group of species known as genus. So here example we say like that. Panthera leo, the common name lion. Panthera tigris, known as tiger. Panthera pardus, known as leopard. Fine. So here we say that Panthera is genus. For example, another example, Solenum melongena, brinjal. Solenum tuberosum, potato. Solenum nigrum, TOD. So in this all we say that Solenum is genus. Fine. So here these two are genus. So here in this genus name is same, species different. Fine. So Panthera in that so many species there. One more else extra, tomato, Lycopensicon esculentum. The scientific name of tomato is Lycopensicon esculentum. So genus is over. Now the family. The group of genus is called as family. So here for example, Panthera family. Find Solanaceae. So here for this Solenum melongena, Solenum tuberosum, Solenum nigrum. Here for that Solanaceae family. Another cat family is Felidae family. Dog family is known as Canidae family. So Solanaceae Fabaceae, Liliaceae. There's so many types of the family are there. Fine. Now, after family, order. The group of the families is known as order. For example, plant families Convoluaceae, Solanaceae are included in the polynomials. Polynomials means multiple reproductive organs are there. And just for example, Felidae and Canidae are included in the Carnivora. So, Convoluaceae and Solanaceae are included in polynomials. Fine. Whereas Felidae and Canidae are included in Carnivora. So you know that carnivora is nothing but the group of the animals in that all carnivorous animals are included there. Now the next is class. The group of orders is class. Fine. For example, primata. Primata consists chimpanzee, gorilla, gibbon, monkey, and all the animals, mammalian animals into Mammalia class. Mammalia class include gibbon, gorilla, humans, chimpanzee, orangutan, etc. So Mammalia is one class. So here tiger, cat, dog also included there. Fine. Tiger, dog, cat, all are included here in carnivora. Fine. So all are into Mammalia class. Now phylum. of the classes known as phylum. Fine. So the group of the class known as phylum. So here, for example, we say like that: phylum Chordata. So chordata consists notochord. Produce notochord. So what do you mean by notochord? Notochord is originated from mesoderm. Three dermic layers are there: mesoderm, and produce vertebral column on dorsal side of the body. So here this phylum Chordata includes species, amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. So we say like that: the species, amphibian, reptiles, aves, and mammals consist the common characteristic, that is consist the notochord there. So notochord is mesodermal in origin. That's why it is present in the chordata. So actually chordata, it is divided into three parts. Cephalochordata means on the head notochord is present. So just for your kind information only, cephalochordata urochordata and vertebrata. So cephalochordata means in that notochord is present on the head. Urochordata means notochord is present on the tail, and vertebrata in that notochord is present on the dorsal side, back side of the body. Now the last one, that is kingdom. The group of the phylum is known as kingdom. So here two kingdoms are there. Land kingdom and animal kingdom. So here we say that species is basic unit of classification. important thing. Species is known as basic unit of taxonomy. Taxonomy or taxonomic hierarchy, as well as classification. The basic unit of classification, we have to classify the animal or organism. The basic unit is species and highest unit. So it is also known as basic unit, also known as lowest unit. You remember in this way, lowest also. So what we say that highest unit of classification is kingdom. So we say here that when we move from species to kingdom, the variation increases. Okay, dissimilarity decreases. Fine. When you move from this species to the kingdom, similarity decreases, dissimilarity increases, as well as variation increases. So highest unit or the topmost unit of the classification, or you say that taxonomic hierarchy, it is known as kingdom. Fine. So I hope you understand this. Here we can stop now. Fine. Remaining thing we will discuss in the next lecture.